Hello, near far, wherever you are. This is Nishia and
Trey
Plus Rich World.
What's up, fam?
Hey y'all, we're back once again with another video. We just thought it would just be fitting to do this talk plus this challenge right here in the very spot that made history in the M Town this past week. So what we want to talk about is the dysfunction, just like Pop said in his voice, the dysfunction of the spicy challenge. We want to take y'all a little more behind the scenes. A lot of y'all were afraid and different things like that. So shout out to Key Cam and the fam, Sitting Mo, the Thesmithbunch, LLIPS, production. Who else was here in the building? I think, if I'm missing anybody, don't charge it to me, y'all. Just charge it to my memory. But I pray this everybody. We just want to give y'all a little recap while we do this crazy stuff right quick. And we're going to talk about what went down in the M Town.
What went down in the M Town?
That's what we're going to name. What went down in the M Town.
Hey, what went down in the
So,
M Town?
we want to thank all our new subscribers that came from every channel that I just named here in the beginning. We appreciate y'all. One thing I need y'all to do before we dive into this behind the scenes story that went down right here on this very couch. We want y'all to like the video, okay? We want y'all to comment down below. We want y'all to subscribe, turn on the bell, make sure that you're part of the family so you don't miss nothing else when something crazy like this happen again.
Nothing.
It was crazy.
What went down in the M Town?
What went down in the M Town, for real.
First of all, hey, shout out to Pop for letting me get this sauce. Thank you for that. We're going to use this sauce in the challenge. We got the chicken tenders going down.
Right here, your very own.
At Rich World Seafood and Wings.
Exactly.
We're going to dip these up in this sauce. And we're going to see how long Nishia can last.
It's just right there.
Yeah.
They told you don't write no check. Don't let your mouth write no check that you can't cash.
All right, but I'm going to be like LLIPS on this one. I'm going to cash it.
How you gonna cash it? Hey y'all, we about to see. I want y'all to take
They
pictures.
lied to me.
And I know you lied. Lil, we did your rendition. Period. And you know what? He go the other one. I cannot back down from a
I
challenge.
will not.
From this man, this husband of mine. Let's just go and do it while you talking. Come on.
Nah, we ain't finna do it because I ain't gonna be able to talk.
See there, this is the time we should do it.
Who wanna hear the story first?
Me. Who want us to eat the food while we tell the story? I think it'll take them back, y'all. I think it'll take them back.
He's stalling.
He's stalling. He's stalling.
Nah, well, check it. I'm gonna tell the story quick. This what happened, y'all.
Let's hear it.
Basically, everybody met up at Rich World. We came through. They were talking about doing a challenge with the wings. We had the wings challenge with the wings and the two-time spicy noodles. It was going
We had
down.
suicide wings here in Memphis.
It
with
was
two-time
going down.
spicy noodles.
We had LLIPS talking mess. We had Killer Cam. I call him Killer Cam. He probably don't.
Cambino.
Cambino. I call him Killer Cam because he won. You know what I'm saying?
First place.
He was talking north.
He bagged it up.
Yeah, he was
We
talking
love he
north.
bagged it up.
And then you had me up in the corner, ain't saying nothing. I'm just waiting. They said go, and that was it. And then I went. I ate my noodles
And
first.
you don't know what happened after that.
I showed up. I had my head down, eating my noodles, and I was down in the wings. Then Killer Cam, seeing how fast I was going, he speeded up,
Right.
and he ended up winning.
Y'all look at their face on the channels when y'all go when my husband down and them noodles. So they were like,
Then you had Thesmithbunch. He was down in his wings. You had Mo, who was in Mo. He was doing his thing, and you had Pops.
Pops held it down for his birthday.
And I think I'm the only one that got one of them peppers that LLIPS had. I'm the only one. Yeah, I'm the
I
only
thought
one.
all y'all had the Sereno pepper.
No. Everybody had like the other peppers, jalapeno peppers. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I'm the only nitwit that grabbed one out the bag. And when it got down to the end, I was like, man, can I eat this? Because it was so huge, you know what I'm saying? But we did it. It was a challenge. I mean, I did that challenge, and I really didn't ask for no water. We was all sitting up here still talking.
They were talking about water at first, but the thing was, since the women were next, we weren't allowed to give them any water, just like they wouldn't be allowed to give us any.
Yeah. So we was just sitting up here chopping it up.
And it died down. I don't think none of y'all got
Yeah.
no water until that doggone Mad Dog 357.
Yeah. Then I got up, and then they was talking about praying for somebody. I was like, man, let me go and get back up there. I'm down for some prayer.
They prayed for Miss Rachel. I think that's Sam's mom. Right now, we just sending prayers her way as well, praying for a speedy recovery.
Yeah.
In the name of Jesus.
Yeah. And then,
So we still got that in.
yeah, we got that in. I got up again, checking out the restaurant, seeing what's going on. You know, 'cause we had some guests. So, you know, entertain the guests, whatever they need. Now, all of a sudden, my wife gonna tell me something. You finna get in that challenge?
Nah, Lips called you to the floor.
Let's call him to the
Yo,
floor.
like, Rich World.
Yeah.
I'm like, I ain't doing it.
Yeah, he told me to come over there because I went over there southbound. He was like, they got another challenge going on. I said, what this challenge is? I didn't even know what challenge it was. They said, we're gonna take this hot sauce and pour on this spoon. We're gonna see can you take it. I looked at the hot sauce.
It smells so good.
You gotta pour your own trouble. The hot sauce had a bullet on it.
It did, y'all. I had a bullet on it.
Had a bullet on it. And what's the name of it?
Mad Dog 357, y'all.
Mad Dog 357. I'll never take it again. And man,
Everybody in here thought they was literally about to go to the hospital, y'all. I was scared. You could see it in my
she's
face.
skipping too much. She's skipping. She
sorry.
kind of speeding up.
I just can only go to my feelings.
Everybody sitting up here chopping it up, and we talking. And next thing I know,
Everybody got a spoon in their hand.
man, Lips, he done took it down. He was like, y'all talking too much.
Y'all see,
We
he gonna
like,
throw
what?
it down like you dropped the mic or something.
Yeah. So he won that challenge.
Yeah.
I gotta give it to him. And then he got up and walked off like a chump. And man, everybody took the spoon, man. We sat there for a minute. I know y'all see our facial expressions, man.
Everybody, no,
It tastes
Cam
nasty.
face. Cam face,
Yeah,
y'all.
pay
Pay
attention
attention
to
to
Cam
Cam
face.
face.
I was like, man. I ain't know what to think about it at first. I like, okay, it tastes like vinegar, you know what I'm saying? And then it burned my throat a little bit. It ain't that type of hot that stay hot on the surface, like your tongue. It's going into your body. So I got up. Everybody got up.
Everybody walked off the stage.
Even the little boy that was with us.
He took it too. Oh my God.
The little boy, he was like he was okay. Papa gave him a handshake. He walked out. We walked out. I went up in the kitchen. I'm calling myself trying to wash up or whatever. Lips, he came up in there.
Yeah, his little ice.
I said,
Big
look.
Ben.
He went and got his Big Ben jug. I said, look, man, what in the world did you give us? Come to find out, Pops was the one that had it.
They stopped
I
at
thought it was Lips that had it.
Boomland. They got it from Boomland.
They got it from Boomland. I said, man, that's some nasty stuff, man. And then all of a sudden it hit me. It hit me. It started burning my stomach, man.
He said he was broke down on the side of the building on his
She
knees.
going too fast again.
Okay. Oh, sorry, man. You didn't get to the good stuff.
Then
Oh.
after that, you know what I'm saying, I stopped for a minute. Then I heard other people, know what I'm saying, having a problem. They still talking about this stuff nasty. They still running around this junk. And then I said, man, I was hot. Man, I went outside, you know what I'm saying, side of the building, man, I broke down like I had a hangover. Like I'd have woke up the next morning and I couldn't, you know what I'm saying? It just happened. I was like, man, there was so much stuff going on through my mind. I'm glad I didn't go off of my mind.
I'm glad I did not come and find him. He probably would have went off on me.
Yeah, that stuff, man. You know, I couldn't take no irritation at that time. I couldn't take nobody.
He couldn't
asking
take me
you know,
saying
what's wrong
nothing
with
to
you?
him.
What's wrong with you? I just wanted to cool down. Then my brother-in-law came out there. Yeah, he got real at it. I said,
Baby, if you don't get up out of here.
he gonna talk about something. It got real. I said, yeah, it got real.
Boy.
Man, I was broke down. So I came back through the building. Man. You got people in the bathroom throwing up. You got people cleaning up, throw up. I mean, I ain't call no names. I don't want to call no names about everybody's troubles. They want to talk about their own troubles. Never talk about it. But you had some people throwing up. I had to go in the bathroom, do my due diligence. You know
I want to know who was that laid on the car with their shirt off. Somebody laid on it. It was so hot.
Man,
They pulled their clothes because it was hot in Memphis Sunday. So somebody pulled their shirt up and laid on the car. Who was that?
I will talk about this though. I will talk about this. And it's on the camera. I did not know that production took the house off. Because when I went through once it cleared from me. And that's another thing, y'all. I'll tell you about this hot sauce. I heard somebody say they was in levels. It was in levels.
It is in levels.
Because, you know what I'm saying, and I had to, you know what I'm saying, use the bathroom. Then when I peed, y'all, you could still feel the heat. I don't know if the other guy was like that, but I still felt the heat, you know what I'm saying, when I had to go to the bathroom. So when I'm going through the bid, I'm checking on everybody, making sure everybody all right, because this is our bid. I don't want nobody to get hurt or whatever. Hopefully everybody's okay. I
hope y'all okay.
I went outside, and I see, I'm going to talk about him. I see production on the ground.
I'm sorry, production.
I'm like, man, what in the world? I said, you wasn't in the challenge with us.
He ended up taking it. Well, we were going to do the challenge with him.
Yeah.
He ended up saying, I told him, don't take it. I said, you see everybody in the bathroom, you finna take this stuff? I gotta see what's going on. I was like, okay.
I seen him on camera, man. I mean, to me, man, he had the funniest part. then he took
it. He said, don't get to your dog, that'll kill your dog.
That'll kill your dog. so that was funny, man.
Oh my God. Yeah.
That was funny. But man, I ain't gonna lie to you. Something like that, you know how you go on people's houses and y'all just straight kicking and y'all having a party. Everybody get drunk, and then everybody wake up the next morning got hangovers.
Trying to figure out what happened.
I mean, that basically kind of what happened, but there wasn't no liquor involved. It was just straight fun.
I'm talking about clean fun. Just y'all. Words can never explain what took place this Sunday.
Yeah.
I don't think it's enough words, rather. It's not.
Exactly.
But while you talking stuff, you done? So I can beat you right quick.
Like she in a hurry get to the hot stuff. I be watching. Let me tell you something. I be watching people that have took this. They don't talk too much stuff because they know what they can do. You know what I'm saying? She don't be on it like I be on it. I ain't trying to talk no stuff. I ain't.
When he was at work, I used to eat the noodles with the kids. So what you mean?
I ain't selling myself short with this. But you want to get into it, we can do it.
Come on then, because you just talking.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
No water.
Watch it.
No water.
Come on, get your little wing up. Let's get into
That's all she going to eat is one.
If I eat 3, you got to give me $100.
Oh.
I ain't bet like that.
$50.
$1.
You gotta take me on a date.
Like
and I gotta dress up in heels. You gotta dress up in a suit.
We do that anyway.
I know, but I'm saying you gotta do it how I want you to do it.
How you want me to do it?
What's the bet?
How you want me to do it?
No,
baby?
I can't tell them. I'm just gonna record it as a vlog and let y'all see.
How you want me to do it?
What y'all think I need to win if I eat 3 or more? Put it down in the comments.
A cake.
You ready?
Come on. Yeah, put it down in the comments. What y'all think I should do if she don't win? I don't know how we gonna win. Well, yeah. Let's
you
see
want me to eat more?
Yeah, let's see how many you eat.
All right.
I got 2 in the bowl now. I'll tell you.
Actually pretty good.
Long story. Long story.
They had 3, right? I don't know why he think his woman can't take no heat.
I can. I love you.
I'm sorry, like Cam and be loved.
You got a good flavor though.
Yeah, they do.
Get down there.
think we should share this one. I mean, that's 2 for me, y'all.
I'm putting extra on that.
Look at his face.
Look like he over here sweating, y'all.
Hi, y'all. I'm getting hot about this, y'all.
I'm thinking about my dress that he gonna take me out in.
That's 3 for me.
I ain't broke yet. This
No one
three for
throw
me.
up, okay?
What number I'm on, y'all? Exactly.
You on your number 3 right now. Dad on number 4.
Why you want to do this?
What you looking? Like, you should put extra. No water.
This is my 4th one.
I supposed to eat 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I do.
Who eat the most?
No, boo. I said 3.
This is my 5th one.
Why ain't you no 4?
I told you I can take it.
Go and get my water in the sink with the ice in it.
I can take the heat. Can you?
Look my eye.
Okay, nobody said it.
You got ice in it. You can't drink no. We gotta wait 5 minutes. Trey.
That is making it worse.
You don't know, get used to that.
Okay. I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
I did do 3 and let the record show.
Dang. That wasn't even a minute. Just said.
Man,
I'm good now.
ear burn. God.
Where you going?
Cut it down.
All right, fam. Pause it, line.
I'm about to try it.
At our own risk, my daughter gonna try it. Please don't pour all the sauce. Let me pour it. Go. Put it over this bowl.
Pray for me. Pray for me.
What? You sure?
Sure.
All right.
What time is it?
Oh, we're gonna come. Here we come, baby. No matter where you are in the world, you are somebody special. Don't forget to talk us down in the comments, letting me know where my husband should take me. So if my husband was here, he'll say, and we believe in you. He ended up getting himself together. Bye, y'all.
Hey, come on, stop,
Okay.